Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I'll be posting videos related to various applications like Microsoft Excel, SQL, Stata, which is an advanced statistical package, and Microsoft Power BI, which can be used for creating cool visualizations and dashboards. I hope the videos will help you all to learn when and how to use various tools and techniques in these applications. Besides, I'll also be using live examples as demonstrations so that you guys also learn how to apply the concepts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Also, please like and share the video with your friends and colleagues who you think might benefit from watching. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. So in this video we'll learn how to create butterfly charts. Now butterfly chart is the modified version of bar chart. This is an example of a butterfly chart which I have created using my dataset. This chart is helpful whenever you want to show variation across two categories. Say you have a data set which has two categories, like in this case I have my rural and urban categories. Similarly, you could have say male or female categories, or children or adult categories. So if you have any dichotomous categories in your data set, you can think of having this modified version of bar chart, which is also called as a butterfly chart. Now let's learn how to create this butterfly chart. Now for demonstration, I'll be using this survey data. Let's first understand what this data is all about, and then we can get on to creating our butterfly chart. So as you can see, these are some of the states and their respective toilet coverage status, and you have the state average value, and then that is also bifurcated across rural and urban. For example, as you can see, in case of Bihar, the toilet coverage is 26%. Now this means that 26% of households in Bihar have access to toilets. Now if we see the distribution across rural and urban, then we can see that 28% of households in urban areas in Bihar have access to toilets, while 22% households in rural areas of Bihar have access to toilet. And similarly, you have for Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, etc. Now if I have this kind of an information, I can also use a normal bar chart to plot my graph. For example, I can just click on insert and click on bar chart and select the default bar chart. So you can see now I can also use this bar chart to depict my data. But if we were to think beyond the conventional bar charts, and when we have this kind of an information, it is better to create a modified version of a bar chart which not only looks more clean but is also very user friendly. Now to create a butterfly chart, the first thing that we need is, you think of a butterfly, it has two wings, the left and the right wing. And so we also want our data to be represented on each side, one at the left side and the other at the right side. Now for that we need to create data that can be represented in two sides. For that, what I'll do is I'll create two more columns. Now I want my rural to be represented in the left side, while the urban data can be represented on the right side. Now I'll just add negative values. So say my rural takes all the negative value and urban values can remain positive. And then what I'll do is I'll select the columns that I require. Now I'll select these two data points. Then to create my butterfly chart, I'll click on insert and then go to all charts and then click on bar chart and then clustered bar. Now you can see I have a butterfly chart, but there are some hygiene concerns over here. So we'll try to refine our chart. Now as you can see, information is getting lost over here. So we need to format this. Just double click on this. Go to labels, label position and select low option, and you'll see that this information shifts to the left hand side of the chart. To create this butterfly chart, I had used these negative values, but my actual values are positive and I don't need this negative sign. So for that, what we can do is double click on the values, go to numbers, then categories, number. We don't need any decimal places. Select the second option, which doesn't depict the negative sign. Now you can observe that the text is in red color, since the negative value is represented in red color, but we need this in black. So I'll just modify this under the format code, click on add, and you'll see your values are now depicted in black color. Now we can add our data labels. Now you can see this is also a negative sign, so we don't need the negative sign. Double click on this, then deselect the value option and select value from cells, and then we can specify our original data. Click on OK. So now if you see, your information for both urban and rural is positive. We don't have the negative sign anymore, or we don't have the negative color anymore. Now again, if you see, this is not in a proper butterfly shape. The left and right axis do not sync with each other. Now to do that, we can click on any of the axis. Now click on the series overlap option and set it to 100%. Alright, so now we can also give a chart title, say toilet coverage. So this is our final chart. You can also further modify your chart if you wish to, but this is how your information is visually represented. That's it for this video. Hope you learned something new. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you liked the video, then don't forget to smash the like button and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Also, please feel free to use the comment section below to let me know what more you would like to learn in the upcoming videos. Till then, thanks again for watching this video, and do check out the channel for more such contents.